Hello, little dreamers, and welcome to our cozy corner. Are you ready for a sleepy story? Let's get comfortable. Take a nice, slow breath in and out. It's time to wind down for the night. Look at this sweet little kitten, all curled up in a warm bedroom. The room is quiet and safe. See the soft blankets? They look so fluffy and inviting. The kitten is getting very sleepy. Are you feeling sleepy too? Here's a gentle nightlight, glowing with a soft, warm color. It keeps the room from being too dark. It's like a little star watching over you while you rest. The light is calm and peaceful, helping you feel relaxed. Now, let's begin our story. It's called The Fluffy Lamb. Once upon a time, in a big, green meadow, lived a little lamb. This lamb was very fluffy and white, like a soft cloud. One evening, as the sun began to set, the little lamb walked with her mother. The sky was turning a beautiful color, a mix of orange and purple. As they walked, the lamb heard a lovely sound. It was the soft jingle of bells. The bells were on the other sheep in the flock. Ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling. The sound was so gentle and sweet. It made the lamb feel safe, knowing her family was all around her. The air grew cooler, but the lamb felt warm and happy, snuggled close to her mother. Her mother's wool was thick and cozy. The lamb looked up at the first stars appearing in the night sky. They twinkled just for her. The little lamb yawned a big, sleepy yawn. Her legs felt tired from playing all day. She found a perfect spot on the soft grass. She lay down, curled up into a little ball, and closed her eyes. The sound of the soft bells became a lullaby. The lamb felt so warm, so happy, and so very sleepy. And soon she drifted off to sleep, dreaming sweet dreams under the moon. Now, let's remember the words from our story. Lamb, soft bell, warm. Sleep, good night, little one. Sleep well and have wonderful dreams. We'll see you again next time.